Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So remember a while back I was talking about different tires because I had an issue with mine that I got a puncture in it that couldn't be repaired because it was too close to the sidewall. So I went ahead and bought another one. But then hearing it probably wasn't the best idea since it was a brand new tire and then all my other ones were 5 years old. So it could really screw the all-wheel drive system up just because the circumference is different on those. A brand new tire is taller than all the other worn down tires. So I decided just to bite the bullet and buy a whole new set of tires and just start fresh. And I was always looking at different tires anyway. I mean, it comes with the Michelin Primacy tires, which is an okay tire, but I've been hearing a lot of better things about some new offerings from different manufacturers. So I did a lot of research on what I wanted to do when I got a new set. So I finally was able to narrow it down after a lot of help from different people and their experiences with tires, and got something that I'm really happy with. And I'm really surprised the difference that it makes on a vehicle. Like, I haven't bought new tires for a very long time. I've leased a lot of vehicles. Never really had the need to buy a new set. Well, now I did. Not only the driving characteristics of it, but just the comfort that it brings, and overall how much different it makes the car feel just by swapping a different set of tires. So let me go ahead and share exactly what I got for the 2021 TLX. So like I said, it took a long time trying to decide what I wanted. I've been searching for over a year just because when the time came, I wanted to know what kind of tires I wanted. So I went with the Michelin Pilot Sport All Season 4. A lot of reviews on them were great. What I like about them is they have a different compound on the outside edge. They use a silica compound, so it adds the more stickiness on turn-in. They have a lot more bite. And then it's an all season. I wanted to stay with that just because we get a lot of rain up here too. So I didn't want to go with just the full, the Michelin Pilot Sport 4 that's just a summer tire, because I did want to have some good driving characteristics in the rain, of course. But this is a big upgrade over the stock Primacies. I'll tell you that. I mean, not only does it handle better, especially with the all-wheel drive, I mean, it just sticks to the road. You can actually hear it when I have the windows down. You can actually hear like the tire picking up like little pebbles, debris, just a stickiness of it you can hear when I go over a bridge or something. Really like it. I like the sidewall design of this tire. I've liked it for a long time, and people that have had it for many years has good things to say about it. I went with the stock tire size, of course. It's a 255 40/19 all the way around. Super happy with it. I've had it for about a month now, and the thing I noticed the biggest difference is like when I hit transitions or something on my normal drive, just with this tire, it's a lot quieter. And here's this part right here is a silica compound on this outside edge. And I know people always said, yeah, tires make a big difference, but I'm a true believer now. After switching to this set, it does drive way better. Just the steering feel on it as well. Like the initial turn in, it just has that initial bite really well, especially if you're more aggressive around corners with it. You can just feel it stick even better than it did before with the all-wheel drive system. But like I said, I looked at a couple another good ones from Continental that I almost went with, but I've always liked Michelin's in the past. And what I like about this tire too, it has a 45,000 mile warranty. So for a more performance oriented all season, that's a pretty good warranty. So we'll see exactly how long they last. If they last close to that, I'll be happy. I always keep up with the rotations. Every time I get an oil change, I'll get them rotated. So again, yeah, it was just so far initially, really like it. And I never knew how hard the Primacy tires were until, like I said, I switched to this. And then I hit the same little pothole or transition around where I live. And it's just a lot more dampened with just switching the tire. It's not as harsh. So I can definitely tell the compound on this tire is a little softer. So I'm not expecting as long of miles on it, of course. But I mean, 45,000 mile warranty, like I said, anything close to that is good since it is a performance-based tire. But initial thoughts, I love it. The handling's great with it. There's no vibration. Driving on the freeway, there's no loud noises. Some people say some tires have a loud howl to them. Nothing with this tire. Super quiet. And like I said, you hit little bumps and it has more of a cushion just because the compound seems a lot better. So I just want to share my initial thoughts with that. If you guys are looking for a tire, need an all season, I'll definitely look at the Michelin Pilot Sports. Again, they have summer tires if you need that, or just all seasons, depending on what you need. But I just wanted to share my thoughts, and I'll be doing a another review, maybe if I've had them like 6 months or maybe a year, kind of give you the thought of what they are to live with for a longer period of time. But initially, really like them, like the style, and I like the company. I've always had Michelin tires. They've been great in the past, so I'm hoping it stays true with this tire as well. So again, until next time, guys, I'll catch you on the next one.